Hello everybody and welcome to our not our but my tutorial on how to write hello world in Python. It's a very easy language. It's probably the easiest language compared to assembly. It's the easiest. So I just did a little bit of coding in assembly. I would like to show it to you. So um, some we have it somewhere here. We may here is hello ISM. So I also have a Microsoft Visual Studio. So compared to this, so it's much easier. So what we're gonna do is type print print, then type this shift 8 on German layout and shift 2, and then we're gonna type here hello world, and there you have it. It's your first program. If you want the program to stay for longer, because you need to install idle, which I leave in the description, and Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio Normal. You can also import time, import dot time. No, I made a mistake. Import time, and then time dot sleep, and then you press this, and then you type whatever you want. I wanted to stay it for 3 seconds, so it will stay for 3 seconds. Let's go away and type it. So Python folder, yes, and import time tutorial. We'll just let's name it tutorial, or how you wanted to name it. So if we go ahead and press desktop, then our code folder, then Python folder, and press tutorial, Python, yes, always open. So it will hello world, and after 3 seconds it self-destructs itself. I hope you enjoy my tutorial, and I wish you have a good day.